Hello, good morning everyone. Today is 18th Sunday. So this I am having croissants in beautiful cafe here, just under my hostel, ground floor of my hostel. This beautiful cafe to beautiful hostel. So today is 18th Sunday. So I have a train at 7:20, 8:20 from Gare de Lyon. So it is just one stop from here. So this is reception. These are the lifts. And I am saying goodbye to my hostel. It is 7:40. I have 40 minutes time. So I got into RERA. It is only one stop. Gare de Lyon is only one stop. Gare de Lyon. So I just got into RER. This is RER train. Excellent train. Double decker. It is only one stop. I got into the train at Nation. I have to get down at Gare de Lyon. I have still 30 minutes time. I have to go to mainline trains. So this is my RER day train. So I have to go to this. I came out of RER gates. So now you can see hall 1 8N and hall 2 5 to 23. So my platform is 5. So you can see 817 Genève. So even my train number is displayed 9763. So these are Gare de Lyon. So you can see all beautiful TGV trains, duplex. So this is hall 2, hall 1. Mine is hall 2. You can see the departures. So 817 Genève on time, platform 5. So also you can see Lyon, Marseille, Mulhouse, Basel, Switzerland, Nice, Grenoble. So all trains, different trains. So mine is hall 2. I am going towards platform 5. So maybe I am 10 minutes late, but it's fine because I have still 20 minutes time. But always better to come early. We don't know how much walk we have to do, how much time it will take to go to hall 2, and my coach is 16. So definitely it will take time to reach coach 16. So I have to walk like 15 coaches. So I can see hall 2, beautiful Gare de Lyon. So I am going towards hall 2. You can see right side hall 2, platform 5. All the shops, cafes, restaurants, early in the morning. So people are busy going to different places. So yeah. So I am entering into hall 2. So with beautiful cafes, right side and left side. So you can see Genève 9763, platform 5, on time. They are always on time. TGVs, World's Excellent Services. So I can see platform 5 now. So I am 15 minutes early now. So I just go to coach 16 and occupy my seat. So I have booked duple, that is first floor, top deck and window seat. Let me see whether it is window or table or just a window. See. So platform 5, there is a queue, small queue to the entrance. So I have to scan. I have a QR code generated ticket. So I have to give for scanning. So this is my platform. I am standing in the queue. So even I can scan, I think. Don't need to wait here for the lady to scan my ticket. So I will scan here. Yeah, that's it. Gates are open. So now I have to. This is the train, beautiful train, TGV Lyria. So it is double deck, excellent. So now I have to go to coach 16. So maybe a bit far to walk, I will see. So you can see other trains, Ouijo trains going to different cities and different countries. So this is the international station, but they don't check any visa because my visa has been checked while coming from. Oh, this is 18. So I am close, coming from London. So I'm in Schengen area, so they will not check my visa anymore until I leave Schengen. Sometimes police will come, but they will not check any visa. This is 17, so mine is 16. I am almost there. Excellent. So I have made it 10 minutes early. I still have 10 minutes. 8:17 is the departure time. See, 16. You can see stops. So TGV area 9763. We have to always check Bourges and Bresse, Bellegarde sur Valserine, Gare. So these are all only 2 stops. This is my coach, upper deck. I have to check for seat number 84. So this is left side is lower deck. So this one is lower, upper deck. So I have to go this way. I already put my luggage, so you can't see my luggage here with me. So this is my seat is 84. So this is 84 window seat, forward direction. This is my seat, the view from my seat. So this is forward direction. I see some Indians. I started, but after starting I realized that mine is backward facing seat. So I will change if possible, because 3 hours I can't sit like this. But train is full, so I have to sit here for some time and then I might not get a window seat. So I don't know. Yeah, I can see one seat there. I will go and see.
À destination de Genève. Desservons les gares de Bourg-en-Bresse, Bellegarde et Genève, notre terminus. Votre barista se fera un plaisir de vous accueillir au bistrot en voiture.
This is a little cave in TGV area. So I am going from Paris to Geneva. So you can see all juices, Coke, chocolates, biscuits. So I had coffee for 4 euros. It's expensive. Sandwiches, bread is fine. Excellent cafe. So people are enjoying here, standing, drinking tea, coffee, drinking breakfast, eating breakfast, and enjoying this little cute cafe. See the beautiful village. I am sitting in this chair. This is actually ticket collector's chair, but I have requested them, and because it's forward facing window seat, so I am enjoying this view. This is the seat where I am sitting with a beautiful window view. You can see. So I requested them and sitting here for next 3 years. See the windmills. This is a view from dining car. Buffet car. See how excellent it is. I'm just sitting on a bench, small bench. This is the dining car view. People are working, meetings, eating tea, drinking tea. Stop for this train is Bourg-en-Bresse. So it is almost like 1 hour 50 minutes. We have departed from Paris. This is the first stop after Paris, Bourg-en-Bresse. So we started around 8:17. So now it is 10:09. So 10:25, sorry. So we are still, I think we are still in France. Sorry, 10:10 is the time. So it's a smoking stop just for 2-3 minutes. So this is the train. You can see beautiful France station. So we have 1 more hour to go to Geneva. So you can see TGV Lyria. So my coach is this 16. So top deck. Beautiful train. Lower deck and upper deck. So next is only one stop, Belgrade sur Valserine Gare. So difficult to pronounce. You can see the name. So and after that Geneva Cornavin, so Geneva main station. So this train number is 9763 TGV Liria. So this is one more stop, second stop. So next is Geneva. So you can see Bellegarde. So we are still in France. You can also see one more TGV Liria going to, I think, Paris. So from Geneva. So the people are going after traveling from Paris. So now it is 11 a.m. So we arrive in Geneva by 11:30. Another half an hour. Spending almost 3 hours, more than 3 hours. I am now saying goodbye to this TGV, beautiful TGV. Just sitting here in the steps. So now I am saying goodbye to this beautiful TGV Liria from Paris Gare de Lyon to Geneva Cornivan. So I met 3-4 Indian families because Switzerland is like. ఛానల్ ఇంకా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకపోతే ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, నోటిఫికేషన్స్ కోసం బెల్ ఐకాన్ నొక్కండి, లైక్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.